3.
My name is Will Harris, and I am the CEO of Willpower Consultation. And I just wanted to do a testimonial about Dr. Lyman Montgomery. So much I can say about Dr. Montgomery. Whatever way you're considering utilizing him, you're lucky. As a trainer, he is phenomenal. I have seen Dr. Montgomery enthrall, capture people through video conferencing during a training, a 6-hour training, having the attention of people all around the world on this one video conference. A phenomenal job. He had the highest scores and ratings of all of our trainers. Totally knocked it out of the park. And as a business professional, I highly recommend you partner with him, work for him, just be in his universe, because the guy is sharp. He knows how to run a team, and he knows how to treat people too. He's a bottom line results guy. He doesn't hear a lot of excuses. Either you get it done or you don't get it done, but he's not going to ride you. He's going to allow you to be you, allow you to tap into your own greatness. And now I guess the last part of the testimony is about Lyman as a man, as a human being. He is one that has the biggest heart. It's so odd to see someone that loves money just as much as he loves people. He loves making money, but he also loves using that money to help people to grow. He loves seeing when people expand, when they run into the challenges, and motivating them to get to the next level. So in that regard, as a trainer, as a business professional, as a human, as a friend, you are lucky if you're considering being around Dr. Lyman Montgomery.